Welcome to the IQClass One Dual-Screen Mode tutorial. Dual screens, double the power. First, you need to demonstrate the dual screen mode of IQClass One. Prepare an HDMI cable and a touch cable. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the IQ Touch, and the other end to the OPS HDMI port of the second IQ Touch. Similarly, connect the touch cable in the same way. Click the menu bar, go to Mode, and select Dual Screen Mode to activate it. In dual screen mode, each screen supports its own floating toolbar. Simply click the desktop button to open the toolbar and annotate, right. In dual screen mode, you can sync slide playback on both screens. If you're using a 32:9 ultra-wide material, it will seamlessly span both screens. Ideal for panoramic images, timelines, long-form content, and visual charts. With IQClass One's dual screen mode, enjoy synchronized or independent displays, floating toolbars on both screens, and ultra-wide content for more dynamic, engaging teaching.